In this brand new video, you will now discover iterations in Python, using for and while loops, so you can improve the execution flow of your program. Please, do not forget to smash that like button, for the YouTube algorithm, since it does really help supporting us, and providing new free content, once a week. Are you interested to be part of this community? All the links are in the description below. Now, let's play this video. In each example you have seen so far, the entire body of the while loop is executed on each iteration. It is all very well, but quite limited, right? Fortunately, Python provides two keywords, break and continue, which terminate the current loop iteration, prematurely, without even checking the test expression. Please note that break and continue work the same way with for loops, as with while loops. Now, let's take a look at how you can use these control statements. Let's dig a little deeper, and suppose this time you do not want to exit the loop, but just skip the current iteration, and execute the rest of the iterations anyway, with the next items. Continue, in while loop. The Python continue statement, on the other hand, will immediately terminate the current loop iteration. The execution jumps to the top of the loop and re-evaluate the expression, to determine whether the loop will execute again, with the next iteration, or if it will terminate and proceed to the first statement, following the loop, like it would, with the break reserved keyword you have seen before. Let's have a look at the same example you have seen, in the break statement. But, instead of break, you will now use the continue statement. Continue is also a control statement, but the only difference is that it will only skip the current iteration in the loop, continues with the next iteration, then executes the rest of the iterations anyway, until the while condition becomes false. In the above example, as soon as the loop encounters the item blue, it will enter the if statement block, where the continue statement will skip the current item in the loop, then continues to the next iteration, with the item yellow. This loop will repeat until it reaches the lat item of the sequence, and result in printing out red, green, and yellow, since blue has been skipped over. If you liked this video, please, do not forget to give a thumb up, and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.